Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose. You're watching Upstream Charlie. In today's episode, I'm gonna do a how-to and a what. So what's what? So Binance completes integration of Bitcoin on Lightning Network. Okay, as you can see in the article. Okay, in Tokeninsight. Okay, one of my favorite research tools for crypto. Okay, so now that Binance has Lightning Network, you can now deposit and withdraw Bitcoin for less. Okay, much cheaper, like I think 8 cents. Let's check it later. So Binance announced it has completed the integration Bitcoin on the Lightning Network. Deposits and withdrawals for Bitcoins are now open on the Lightning Network. Last month, Binance announced it was working on Lightning Network integration. The Bitcoin Lightning Network is a second layer protocol built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain that aims to solve the scalability and transaction speed issues inherent in the original Bitcoin network. It is designed to enable uh, fast and cheap transactions between users and without the need for on-chain transactions. The Lightning Network works by creating a network of payment channels between users. These payment channels enable users to transact with each other of the other off-chain, meaning that transactions can be processed almost instantly and with very low fees. Once a payment channel is established between two parties, they can conduct an unlimited number of transactions without the need to broadcast each transaction to the Bitcoin network. Okay, so let's check on here. So if you have a Binance account, basically uh, you need to go to your P2P, or you can use your credit card like this one. You could do bank deposit, a credit card or debit card, you know, and buy your Bitcoin or any coin you want. Okay, usually you start with a stable coin like a USDT or USDC or TUSD, and then you buy Bitcoin, or you could buy Bitcoin immediately. So once you have gotten your Bitcoin and you want to use the Lightning Network, once you bought your BTC, and then what? You could, you know, or if you don't have a BTC yet, then you applied for an account in Binance, then you could deposit, or you could buy BTC and then you could withdraw it and transfer it to your Bitcoin wallet. We'll be showing two wallets. That's Muun, Muun, and Strike. Okay, so both are available in Southeast Asia, and it's not restricted to us Asians. Okay, so how to do it? So actually, they have a how-to in Binance. You could read this if you want. So it's actually very easy if you already are depositing and withdrawing in Binance or in any other in or in any other uh, you know in any other centralized exchange, Mexi, KuCoin, Bybit, OKX, and even your local exchange. Okay, so but the international ones are more or less has the same same layout. Okay, so let's try to go to, let's say if you plan to deposit. Okay, you don't have BTC yet, you have an account, but you managed to get BTC somewhere. So you click the deposit. Okay, there's some FYI, there are some functions here: actions, buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, trade, earn, convert. So our aim is, our action is deposit. So select a network. Of course, there are several here: BEP20, BTC, Beacon Chain for BNB, Segwit, Ethereum, and then the Lightning Network, which is at the end. Okay, Lightning Network. So you click that. Okay, and then you have to input an amount. So that's how it works in Lightning. So let's say you're gonna put that, and then you create an invoice. Okay, and then it will generate this QR code or the invoice number. Okay, it will generate only once you inputted an amount. Okay, and so let's go to here. So I'm using Let's View. So this is my cell phone, and I have Muun and Strike. So let's start with Strike first. So click on your Strike. Of course, you could download this. It's available in Android and iOS. Okay, so this is what you will see in Strike, the layout, and then the price of Bitcoin. And of course, what will you do? You will be what receiving um, Bitcoin. Okay, so click on receive, and then get the QR code. Sorry, you will be depositing. Sorry, you will be depositing, so you will click send. Apologies for that. So I was thinking of withdrawing. So there you go. Then generate the QR code, and then you could use that and point it to your monitor. Okay. Now it's currently pointed on my Buddha. Buddha bless you. And basically that's it. And then it's gonna be sent to your account here in you know, wait for it here in the deposit status. Okay, so let's do another one. So what happens if you want to withdraw? So in other words, you will receive it to your Strike. So if you want to withdraw, click the withdraw here, and then get an address. So you have to click receive here and generate a QR code. But before you can generate a QR code, you have to specify the amount that you want to withdraw and to receive. And then you click next here on your mobile phone. There. So once, so make sure it's on Lightning, and then get the address. So how could you get the address? You could share this, because you cannot Binance cannot scan your QR code, so you have to share. Get this. You copy it, and then you paste it somewhere. Let's say, for example, you share it. In my case, I paste it on my Viber, and I go to my son's, and there it's pasted there. And then what I do is I open my Viber desktop, and then I copy this one. Okay, and then you paste it here, and then you just say, okay, please note that the address has changed to invoice. Okay, and there, because you already state that you will receive 0.001 on your Lightning request. So that's it. So it's not gonna generate any address or an invoice. They call it an invoice in BTC, in Bitcoin. In Lightning, it will not generate an invoice or an address or a QR code until you specify it in your wallet, in your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so there, and then you could punch withdraw. And then it's gonna go to your wallet here. Okay, so just wait for the transfer. So basically that's it. So the other one is what? The other one is Muun. So this is Muun. And then there, if you want to receive, you have to put the amount here. Oh, wait, you have to, let's say in pesos, I want to receive 1,000 pesos. The equivalent is 0.006 BTC. If you confirm the amount, okay, so there, you could edit the amount and convert it to BTC. Yeah, BTC. There, you'll receive 0.0006 BTC, and then you confirm the amount, and it will generate again a address or a invoice. And same, you know, copy paste it here, or you have to do this again and then do it again. So you put the address, and the address is here. Okay, you could copy it and send it to your PC if you're using a PC. If you're using cell phone to cell phone, then it's easier. You just copy and then paste it in your Binance account, in your in your uh, in your what in your mobile phone. You could do that as well here. You go to your wallets. Okay, you go to your wallet and go to your spot and go to your BTC, and then let's say you want to deposit and withdraw. You say you want to deposit, and then you could check on Lightning Network. You see that it's on the bottom, deposit, and the Lightning Network is on the bottom there, and then you click on this one, create an invoice, and then what, you could copy this one, copy invoice number, and go to your Lightning Network, and then you're gonna be sending, because you'll be depositing, and you don't have enough funds. So basically that's it. You know, just copy paste. Okay, the trick is try to remember that whether you're using Muun or you're using Strike, you have to input first the quantity of Bitcoin to generate the invoice or the address. Okay, unlike others, when you're doing you know, FTM or Matic or Bet20, you don't have to do that. You just have to click on the amount and then just give the actual address. Okay, so I think that's a safety feature for Bitcoin, so that you could put the exact amount that you need or want. Okay, so basically that's it for what, the Bitcoin wallet. So it's pretty easy. I think it's better that you have a Binance mobile phone version, uh, and then it's easy to copy paste things instead of you're using a laptop or a PC. because if you're using a laptop and a PC, it means that you have to copy paste it and send it to your PC. So you need to have your, it's either a messenger, a Facebook, or any social app, chat app that you could, broadcast and copy it and paste here, or you could email it to yourself also if you want. So there's just two ways on how to do it, via PC or via mobile. So some people have a hard time using mobile to mobile, and because they're used to using PCs and laptops like me. But actually, it's much faster if you're using mobile to mobile app, because it's easy to copy and paste the addresses or the invoice for the Lightning Network. Okay, so what? So basically, that's it for the Binance Bitcoin integration of the Lightning Network, and how to transfer, how to deposit and withdraw Bitcoin to two of the wallets that I showed you. That was, that was the Muun wallet and the Strike wallet. Okay, Muun and Strike. It's available on Android and iOS. Okay, so basically that's it. That's my contribution today. And that's additional knowledge for you guys. So it's pretty easy. Just remember to input first the quantity of Bitcoin, regardless of whether you're sending or receiving, withdrawing or depositing. So you could generate again the invoice or the wallet address. Okay. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next video. Goodbye. Adios. Arrivederci.